Hey guys, how are you doing? My name is Nasteri. Welcome to Mom and Baby Wellness, and today we are going to cover how to get rid of toe fungus using bleach, and this is going to be step by step. So I'll be showing you step A all the way to step Z, how to go about this whole entire process. So make sure you stick to the very end of this video so that you don't miss any bit of it. To begin with, why bleach? Does bleach actually work to deal with toe fungus? Does it help to get rid of toe fungus? Does bleach help to get rid of this toe fungus once and for all? So the answer is yes, but it's not for everyone. This is because bleach can be, for people with sensitive skin, it can actually be very insensitive to some types of skins. That is why before you attempt this whole exercise, you need to perform a patch test on your skin to determine whether your skin is sensitive to bleach or not. This is because bleach is not meant for our skins. It's actually meant for cleaning, disinfecting, and that kind of duties. Another reason is that bleach is not officially researched and documented to deal with toenail fungus, but people have actually tried. Sometimes desperate times call for desperate measures. So someone out there tried bleach and it worked, and thousands more of people have tried this bleach method and it has also worked. That is why I'm also going to be showing you how to do it. But so yes, bleach works, but for people who have sensitive skin, people who don't want to have a reoccurrence of this toe fungus nails, people who want convenience, people who want their feet to smell good all the time, then I recommend this really awesome supplement. And I'm going to leave a link below this video because it's the only oral medication that works, and it's not even medication because it's a supplement made from 100% natural ingredients. So check that link below this video and go and read more and make your own informed decision, but that is my number one recommendation. So let's go ahead with this video. How do we go about this whole entire process of soaking our feet in bleach to get rid of this toe fungus nails? So let me show you what we have, and now let's get started. So guys, let's get started. And for this step-by-step process, we are going to be using I'm going to be using jig, which kills 99% of germs. This pure bleach, and I'm also going to be needing my Vaseline for after, and a towel to dry my feet. And here I have about a gallon of water. So let me take you through the whole entire process, how you go about it, and so that you may know exactly what to do. And guys, here is my 10 ml of bleach, and I'm going to add it right there. And I like my water to be warm because warm water is actually friendly and your feet will feel a little bit better. And warm water also helps to remove dead skin from your feet. So my water is warm, and I've added the 10 ml of bleach, and now I'm just going to soak my feet and let the feet remain there for about 10 minutes. And after the 10 minutes are over, I'm going to remove my feet from this bucket and rinse them with clean water. So guys, 10 minutes are over, so I'm going to proceed and change this water so that I can now dry my feet and finish off with everything. This is some fresh water. I'm just going to rinse my feet nicely so that all the bleach comes off. And then I'm just going to step on my towel and dry my feet. nicely, including in between the toes, and then oil my feet. So you're supposed to repeat this process at least twice daily, so that all the toe fungus can be eliminated. So guys, that's all. That's the step-by-step process. Now I'm just going to apply my Vaseline and the whole process is done. So guys, that is the whole entire process, how you go from preparing your ingredients to soaking your feet to rinsing your feet and to completing this whole entire process. So make sure you repeat this process at least twice daily, and remember to use some warm water because warm water is friendly to your feet. Warm water will also help to remove the dead skin from your feet as well, and will make your feet even relax even more. Don't forget to check out the supplement because that is the only guarantee you have that the toenail fungus will never reoccur ever again. So thank you for watching this video. My name is Nasteri, and I'll see you